Is Earth unique? Currently, we lack conclusive evidence of higher life forms on other planets. Numerous factors contribute to life as we know it. Our blue planet meets all necessary requirements. Primarily, Earth resides within the habitable zone, the Goldilocks zone, maintaining a suitable temperature due to its distance from the Sun. This distance is approximately 93 million miles. The positions of other planets and satellites are also beneficial. Jupiter's immense size and gravitational pull deflect numerous meteoroids, protecting Earth from potentially catastrophic impacts. Similarly, the Moon's gravity shields us from cometary bombardments. Furthermore, our atmosphere's composition allows for respiration. Considering the vastness of the universe, estimated to contain around 100 billion galaxies, each with billions of stars, how likely is the discovery of Earth-like planets? To date, we've identified around 2,000 exoplanet candidates, mostly through missions like Kepler and TESS. Is it merely a matter of time before we find higher life forms on a planet akin to Earth? One such mission has discovered 219 candidate exoplanets, 10 showing particular promise. These rocky planets orbit sun-like stars within their habitable zones. While water cannot be directly observed at such distances, its presence isn't ruled out, and several other factors, such as atmospheric composition, also suggest similarities to Earth. Recent discoveries of further exoplanets suggest many more Earth-like planets could exist. Kepler 452b, discovered on July 23, 2015, is located approximately 1,400 light-years away, making it currently unreachable. However, its scientific significance is undeniable. It orbits its star in 385 days, only 20 days longer than Earth's year. Its star is remarkably similar to our Sun in mass and temperature, suggesting the possibility of photosynthesis on Kepler 452b. TRAPPIST-1F, discovered in 2017 in the Aquarius constellation, is only 41 light-years from Earth, slightly larger than Earth, but with only 0.68 of its mass. It orbits its star in just 9 days. Its properties suggest the presence of water, possibly making it an ocean world, though the possibility of a thick ice layer on the sun-facing side remains speculative. Atmospheric composition remains largely unknown. TLI 700d, discovered in January 2020 by the Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite, is located about 100 light-years from Earth. Orbiting a relatively nearby star, TLI 700, this exoplanet is the farthest from its star, unlike its sibling planets TLI 700b and TLI 700c, which are located too close to their star. Slightly larger than Earth, with a radius of approximately 7,500 kilometers, TLI 700d completes its orbit in 37 days. The energy it receives from its star indicates potentially moderate temperatures. Gliese 581d, situated just 20 light-years away, is 7 times the mass of Earth and orbits much closer to its star than Earth orbits the Sun, 20.5 million miles. This proximity results in significant tidal forces, causing tidal locking. One side perpetually faces its star, while the permanently dark side is expected to be extremely cold. Atmospheric models incorporating carbon dioxide and hydrogen suggest potentially moderate temperatures on the non-sunlit side, where water might not be frozen. However, the 2.5 times stronger gravity than Earth's makes human habitation highly improbable due to the extreme strain on the human skeletal and circulatory systems. A 150-pound person would weigh 385 pounds on Gliese 581d. Kepler 22b orbits a star similar in size and temperature to our Sun. Its average surface temperature of 72 degrees Fahrenheit is quite temperate, and it boasts a surface area 2.5 times larger than Earth's. While a greenhouse effect is likely, its distance of 600 light-years renders it currently inaccessible. Teegarden B, discovered in 2019, orbits its star in 11 days and 9 hours. Slightly larger than Earth at 1.11 Earth masses, its distance of 12 light-years appears closer than many other exoplanets, though a light-year is still 5.88 trillion miles. It possesses an inner core and a solid, rocky surface. Kepler 186f, discovered in 2014, is only 10% larger than Earth and shares a similar surface structure. However, it lies over 490 light-years away. Its orbital period is approximately 130 days, and the energy it receives from its star could, under the right atmospheric conditions, support life. HD 40307G, discovered in 2012, is located 42 light-years away and is one of 6 planets orbiting the HD 40307 star. Only HD 40307G resides within the habitable zone and may have water resources. An atmosphere is considered relatively probable. It has a similar mass to Earth and orbits its star every 667 days. Gliese 667cc, discovered in 2009, is part of a triple star system, meaning 3 suns rise and set. Its mass is 5.5 times that of Earth, making it a super-Earth and completing an orbit in only 7 days. TRAPPIST 1D, located about 40 light-years away in the Aquarius constellation, orbits its star in just 4 days. Slightly smaller than Earth with a radius of around 0.75 Earth radii, and less than half of Earth's mass, it lies just outside the habitable zone, suggesting any water deposits would likely have evaporated. A temperature similar to Earth's would be quite pleasant and potentially conducive to life.